So it's day 3. I can't with you, Noosh.
I can't see.
We look like we coordinated that. Is anyone else's phone just like not working, or it's just me?
Look at this set. I mean, this is crazy.
Isn't it crazy?
Look at this. All this belongs to Fox. Fox set all this up?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah, if you want to do Romo. I'm going to do Romo at the end. No, you can move.
Okay.
And then he'll come back and you.
Hi, Frank. How are you? Good. How are you?
All right, so Frank, you're gonna do Romo to start, but then you'll come at the end and you'll do what?
Yeah, because I'll set up how I do Romo so you understand what it is that I'm applying.
Okay, and then we'll come back to it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, so here's...
I just. They shooting anything? Oh, there's Snickers. Is this like a display or something? I think so. Are Snickers free? Thank you.
I didn't know. I already went there. It wasn't a big thing.
Yeah, it's a little cute.
I forget.
You gonna go running or you like just in the gym?
Not my usual schedule.
I ran on the boardwalk my first day.
I saw you posting it.
The next day I was like, oh, I'm not a runner. My body hurts so bad. I watch you and Colin like every day. I love your energy and your input, and I just think it's amazing.
Thank you so much. I want a picture too. Looking beautiful, always. Mind me Mike, by the way. I'm a blogger here in Miami.
Oh, awesome.
Hi guys. This cheese bread is popping now.
You're killing it.
It's a beautiful day today. Just like the sun is shining. It's nice and cool, a little humid. I'm exhausted, but I am back at the hotel. Yeah, so I have a little bit of time. I'm gonna catch up with some friends, and then I have MJ's dinner tonight, which I'm very excited about. A seat at the table, very appropriately named. And then our good friend Carissa Thompson's party after that. So lots to do.
So many of the women that we invited here that are in the biz are friends that I've had for over a decade that have built me up, helped me through it, been on the phone with me late nights when I'm upset, or sharing in the victories and the successes. So that's what we want for our honored guests, of course, sprinkled around the table for the next generation of women in this media sports landscape in one capacity or another.
On the bottom you'll find almond crumble, chocolate crumble, dulce de leche, and strawberry. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Say, okay, ladies, 1, 2, 3, 4.
picture with my like. I was like, we're like, where's the Chippendales dancer? I know.